if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel
Welcome
home.
to our channel. Today, we're diving into the inspiring world of Lilli Luxe, a remarkable plus-size curvy Instagram model who is making waves in the fitness community. Lilli Luxe is currently 28 years old and hails from the vibrant country of the United States. Standing at 5 feet 7 inches tall and weighing around 200 pounds, she embraces her curvy figure and promotes body positivity through her platforms. With over 1.9 million followers on Instagram and a growing TikTok audience of 500,000, Lilli shares her fitness journey, workout routines, and lifestyle tips, encouraging others to embrace their bodies and pursue their health goals. When it comes to her personal life, Lilli is known to keep her relationships private, focusing instead on her career and her followers. Her estimated net worth is around $500,000, which she has built through brand partnerships and her engaging social media presence. In her free time, Lilli enjoys dancing, cooking healthy meals, and exploring new fitness trends. Her passion for fitness and self-love resonates with many, making her a role model for those looking to lead a healthier llifestyle. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring stories like Lilli Luxe's.